Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 4. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lesson number 15 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 9. And my dear student, our today's topics is exercise 4.5. From exercise 4.5 we shall solve question number 1, and from question number 1 we shall solve 16, 18 and 20 as your CW. And listen to me, from question number 1, 14, 15 and 19 will be your SW. So let us start our class. The name of this chapter is division. Do you know what is division? Division is a short process of subtraction. I repeat, division is a short process of subtraction. So here three problems are given. Problem 16, 18 and 20. We shall solve these three problems. So let us start our first problem. Listen. Question number 1. Sub number 16. 764 divided by 25. Dear student, before starting to solve this math, at first we notice a small example. Notice, this is 5 divided by 2. Now notice, 2 divided by 5. So in 5, 2 goes in how many times? 2 goes in 2 times. 2 2s are 4. Now we do subtraction and we get 1. Dear student, now can you say me what is this? This is divisor. What is this? This is dividend. What is this? This is quotient. And what is this? This is remainder. I repeat, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is quotient and this is remainder. Okay? So now notice. So what is this? 764 is dividend, and what is this? 25 is divisor. Now we do division. So right here, and 25, 7, 6, 4. Dear student, this is 25 and it is a number of 2 digits. For this reason, from dividend we take 2 digits first. Here 76. 76 is greater than 25. For this reason, we count this 2 digit. Okay. In 76, 25 goes in how many times? 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50 and 25 threes are 75, which is the nearest number of 76. So I write here 3. 3 25s are 75. As division is the short process of subtraction, we do subtraction here. So notice, here 6, here 5. If we subtract 5 from 6, then we get 1. And this 4 is, 1 and 770, we need not to write 0 at left of 1. Okay. Now, we placed 4 here. But dear student, notice, this 14 is smaller than 25. But one number is placed here. So in 14, 25 goes in how many times? If we take 1, then which is greater than 14? But we take 0 times. 0 to 25s are 0, and we subtract, we get 14. If we don't take this 0, then the solution will be wrong. So here you notice, here quotient is 30 and remainder is 14. I hope you have understood how to solve such type of math. Okay, now we write answer. Okay, so here 30 is quotient, Q equal to 30, Q for quotient, and remainder equal to 14. What is R? R for remainder. I hope you have understood. Now we shall solve question number 18. Okay, and in order to solving question number 18, we erase question number 6. Question number 18, notice here 3030 divided by 14. So write Here 14 is divisor and 3030 is the dividend. Okay. So 14 is 2-digit number. For this reason we take 2 digit. Here 2 digit is 30. So now we consider in 30, 14 goes in how many times? 14 on the 14 and 14 to the 28. So 14 to the 28. Okay. Now we subtract 28 from 30. Here you notice 0 is smaller than 8. For this reason we consider this is 10. Now we subtract 8 from 10 and we get 2. And that 1 is added with this 3, it will be 3. So we subtract 3 from 3, we get 0. We need not write 0 before 2. Okay. So if we subtract 28 from 30, then we get 2. Then 1 digit is placed here. 20, then it is 3. Now the number is 23. Now we notice 23, in 23 14 goes in how many times? 14 on the 14 and 14 to the 28. 28 is greater than 23. For this reason we take 1. So 14 on the 14. Now we do subtraction. Here you notice 4 and 3. 3 is smaller than 4. For this reason we consider this is 13. Now we subtract this 4 from 13 and we get 9. And that carrying on is added with this one, it is 2. We subtract 2 from 2 and we get 0. So we need not write 0, left of 9. Now this 0 is placed here. So in 90, 40 goes in how many times? Dear student, now 6 times or 7 times. 6 4 are 24 and 6 1 is 6 plus 2, 8. So 84. If we take 7, then the number will be more than 90. So we take 6 times. 6 4 are 24, carrying 2, 6 1 is 6 plus 2, 8. Now we do subtraction and we get 4 to 10, it is 6, and that 1 is added with this 8, it is 9, 9 9 0. So we need not write 0, left of 6. So dear student, notice when we do division 3033 by 14, then we get 216 as quotient and 6 as remainder. Now we write answer. Quotient 216 and remainder is 6. I hope you have understood our last question. Okay, last question is 20 number questions. The question is 9316, that means 9316 divided by 32. So first of all we write here. Okay, so 32 is divisor here and 9316 is the dividend. As 32 is 2-digit number, for this reasons from dividend we take 2 digit. 93, which is greater than 32. Now we consider in 93, 32 goes in how many times? Dear student, notice if we take 3 times, then 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9, 96. 96 is greater than 93. For this reason we consider 2 times. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6, 64. I hope you have understood. Now we do subtraction. Here 3 is smaller than 4. For this reason we consider this is 13. Now we subtract 4 from 13 and we get 9. And that one is placed added with this 6, it is 7. Now we subtract 7 from 9 and we get 2. And this 1 is placed here. Now dear student, this is 3-digit number which is 291. And now we notice in 291, 32 goes in how many times? So if we take 9 times, then we get 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28, which is nearest number of 291. So we take 9 times. 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. Now we do subtraction. 8 to 11, it will be 3 carrying 1. That one is this added with this 8, it is 9. So 990, we need not to write 0 here, 2207. Okay, so if we subtract 288 from 291, then we get 3. And notice 16 is remain. This 6 is placed here. Now this time 36. In 36, 32 goes in how many times? 1 times. So 32 ones are 32. Now we subtract and we get 4. Dear student, notice here 291 is the quotient and 4 is the remainder. Okay, so now we write answer. Here quotient is 291 and remainder is 4. I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Dear student, notice I shall give you some problem as your SW, which are 14, 15, 19, which I have already declared first. Okay, you must solve this in your SW copy and submit it regularly in our school campus. My dear student, notice here only 6 problems, but in question number 1 there are 1 to 20 problems. We have not enough time to solve this 20 problem in our class, but you have to practice if you learn more. Okay, the more you read, the more you learn. So you must do your science problems as per practice. Okay, and you submit these 3 on only these 3 SW. Okay, so my dear student, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.